All right. Hello, everyone, and this is my show. Today, we're going to be talking about gravity, and not just any gravity, but weird gravity. Say hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
your mom.
Hello, your mom. Welcome to my show. And today, like I said, we're going to be talking about weird gravity. So, what do you think would happen? How would the world change if gravity just suddenly turned upside down and we would be walking on the ceiling?
I think that Newton would be turning over in his grave.
I think so too, and people would probably die because they fell into the sun. Wouldn't that be amazing?
No? Why would that be amazing? What's wrong with you?
Well, why would you think it was not amazing?
Why would I not think it's amazing? It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, you don't make any sense. Because this is my show and I'm always right because it's my show, obviously. So, I think that if gravity turned upside down, not only would people die, but people would start making walkways between different buildings so that people could actually make do and not die.
I thought you said that people dying was a good thing.
Well, people wouldn't want to die, would they?
Yeah, because they have, like, a brain that functions.
That is true. That is true. Okay, everyone. Well, what do you say would happen if someone tried to get around by clinging to the grass?
The Well, people would have a lot more upper body strength, I guess.
That is true. Everybody give a big round of applause to your mom here. But what I think would happen if people tried clinging to the grass instead of making walkways is that the grass would rip out of their hands and they would die. What do you think?
Why are we talking about this? What's wrong with you?
Because it's my show and I want to talk about this.
Why did I even show up? Why am I here? You know what? I'm done with your nonsense. I'm leaving.
Well, that's that, folks. Thanks for coming and watching this.